Hey, it's David here from Danny's Wine and Beer, and today we're going to look at our 6-gallon wine starter kit. So here we go. So here we have the 23-liter PET Carboy, or also known as a bottle. So basically a large bottle. Carboy. This is food grade, made in Canada, and BPA free. Then we have a food grade BPA free 24-liter bucket, and this bucket is perfect for anything to do with wine because basically you want to go up to the top ring. That would be 23 liters. So you know your mark here is a 23-liter mark, and then you still have a little bit of space for fermentation. We then have a food grade stirring spoon. This can be used both this way, and if you need to, you can put it upside down and go that way. Other great thing about it is it has a nice little hole right here, and it's made in Canada, and it's food grade as well. We have an L brush. This L brush is made from food grade nylon. The reason why we chose this brush is because it works for both plastic PT as well as glass without scratch. We have the auto filler or auto siphon with the auto filler. So this is the regular auto siphon, and what you're doing here is you're putting it inside, for example, your bucket, or if you're transferring, you put it in here. And how you basically use it is you just, when the liquid's in here, you basically just pump it, and then the liquid comes out, and of course with gravity, this would come down. With one pump or two, this would start, and then your liquid would start moving. This also comes with the wine filler or the auto filler, and how this works is if you have your bottles, you basically press down and the valve opens and the wine flows. You press up, or you lift up, the valve closes, and it'll stop. So it's like I always say it's like milking a cow. Last couple things that we have here is the S airlock and the bungs. So these are BPA free as well. How this works is you would add water up to the max line, just water. You don't need to add anything else. And then you're basically creating a P-trap where it's bubbling up through the airlock. So stuff, CO2 can come out, but nothing can come in. And then these bungs, we have a number 7 bung here because you have a lid that's got about I believe it's 1.25 inches in diameter. And that's why that number 7 bung is used here. And then you have another airlock with a number 10 bung on there. So basically, what's good about this is when you have one started, you can then transfer, start aging in this one, and already start another one right here. So you always have 2 on the go, and you're always fully equipped with wine. Last couple things is the hydrometer. Hydrometer is like your measuring tool to see what the specific gravity is, or what the sugar content is, or what the potential alcohol is. And nifty to see it. Check out that video there. Another thing that's very, very important is the Aseptox. So we just give you a nice starter pack here. This is a no-rinse cleaner, so you don't have to worry about if you have any left that's going to destroy your wine or anything like that. So that's really, really good. Instructions on how to use it: 1 tablespoon for 4 liters of water. So basically, if you have a gallon jug, put in a tablespoon of water, and that'll be your solution. I always spray everything with it. If you have a spray bottle, you can spray it with that solution, and works really, really well. And again, it's no rinse, so you don't have to worry about it if it's in the plastics or anything like that. Like if it stays in there, you don't have to worry about that. So that's your starter kit, your basic starter kit. We have a couple other starter kits to look at, but this will get you going and getting you to make some great wine.